Alright guys, motor toys. So real quick, bottom line is the Spektrum system in the new Typhon that we're using in the 8th mile was just not cutting it in terms of speed, power, acceleration. So we ripped all that out of there last night and got a Castle Mamba Monster 2 installed with the 1515 2200 kV motor, and we're actually on light gearing now, which is 2938, but still higher than what we had before. And we've ran a best so far of 97 on these tires, still pulling, just kind of ran out of room, and left, you know, obviously put everything back the same, the BEC, the cap packs. Yeah, this thing is nobody's business. I'm gonna leave the gearing probably relatively moderate, just for doing 8th miles, but this is still should trap, you know, 5 to 7 miles an hour faster than what I was before, just the way it sits. So yeah, still got the dual plug system, and we'll go see what it does. About a 4 or so hour process getting this all done, so we'll see how it runs.